For decades, society has painted a one-sided picture of sexual desire, often focusing on men while overlooking the complex and fascinating nature of female arousal. But the truth is, women experience desire just as intensely, though in a way that is deeply connected to their mind, body, and emotions. Unlike men, whose arousal is often spontaneous, women's desire is more responsive, meaning it is shaped by emotional connection, mood, and external stimulation. This explains why a woman might feel nothing in one moment but intensely aroused in another. Her psychological state plays a massive role in her sexual experience. Psychologists have found that female desire is influenced by both biology and psychology. Hormones like estrogen and testosterone play a key role, with estrogen peaking before ovulation, leading to an increase in libido. Testosterone, often associated with men, also exists in women, and significantly boosts attraction and sensitivity. However, what truly sets women apart is the power of their minds. The limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, is highly active during female arousal, meaning that memories, fantasies, and psychological connection can be even more arousing than physical touch alone. This explains why women's arousal is often misunderstood. It's not just about what's happening to their body, but also what's happening in their mind. When a woman experiences heightened arousal, her mind and body react in powerful ways. Dopamine, the pleasure chemical, surges in her brain, creating excitement and anticipation. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for logic and decision-making, slows down, which is why arousal can lead to more impulsive behavior. Even the amygdala, which controls fear and anxiety, quiets down, making women feel more open to intimate experiences. Physically, blood flow increases to the genitals, causing the vagina to expand and naturally lubricate. The clitoris becomes highly sensitive, similar to male arousal, and the heart rate accelerates, signaling high excitement levels. Surprisingly, research shows that a woman's body can respond to sexual stimuli even if she isn't consciously thinking about sex, proving that female desire is a complex mix of physiological and psychological responses. Despite this, there are still many myths and stereotypes surrounding female arousal. One of the biggest misconceptions is that women aren't as sexual as men, but studies have completely debunked this. Women experience strong sexual urges, but because their arousal is more psychological, it is often misunderstood. Another myth is that women only desire sex for emotional bonding, but research proves that many women seek intimacy purely for pleasure, just like men. A study from the Journal of Sex Research found that women have sexual fantasies just as often as men, but they often express them differently. Society has long conditioned people to view female sexuality as more passive or hidden, but modern psychology proves that it's time to break these outdated beliefs. Female arousal is a fascinating and complex experience that goes beyond just physical sensations. It's a full body and mind connection, influenced by hormones, emotions, and psychological triggers. Understanding this not only helps women embrace their sexuality, but also improves relationships by fostering deeper emotional and physical connections. The more we break these stereotypes, the more we can empower women to fully embrace their desires without shame. What do you think? Have you ever noticed how emotions affect female desire? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful psychological facts about human behavior, the mind, and the body.